What is going on, guys? So coming in with another pretty neat product from my homies over at TOPDON. So if you don't know who these guys are, I've been using their jump pack for the last probably 2-3 years now, and I also have their battery charger, both of which work absolutely flawless. I have no issues with them. And guys, I'm gonna give you a little spoiler. I am supposed to be trying out their newer jump pack as soon as they get some more in stock. They were out of stock, so they went ahead and sent me this, which is their Bluetooth OBD scanner tool. So this allows you to plug into your OBD2 port and read your codes straight from a app on your phone. And we're gonna give it a try now. We are in the Odyssey, so we're just gonna see how it does as far as picking codes up, because this is one of the few OBD2 cars that I still have. As you know, most of my stuff gets converted to OBD1, so can't really do anything with it. But from the app details and what I've read on it, man, this thing can do everything from diagnostics to actual, you can actually do quarter mile, eighth mile times, all that kind of stuff straight through this. So that would be pretty neat if I had something to make a pass in. I don't know, maybe we'll do it in the van eventually, or even Rambo or something. But in the meantime, let's get this plugged in. So you're just gonna wanna find your OBD2 port, which on this van, I believe it's down here. Yeah. So you see that port right there? And we're just gonna plug it in. And it's turned on now. So I've got the app pulled up on my phone here, and I'm just letting it, I did all the other stuff off camera, but I went ahead and I registered the app with my email and stuff. And then I also went ahead and connected to the device and made sure to confirm the serial numbers and stuff. So all of that's good now. So we can do all of this stuff. Like, we got diagnostics, vehicle performance. Let's try diagnostics and see. We already know we have a check engine light on this car. Okay, so it appears that you have to download each specific unit that you use, which we already know. We can do Dodge, we can do Honda, guess we could do Ford, GM, GMC, Honda boys. Yeah, we'll do those. So here are the two codes that I'm getting right now. EGR, insufficient flow detected, which says it's temporary, and then exhaust gas recirculation, EGR system leak detected. So yeah, I put a new EGR valve on here before we were having a code for a misfire on cylinder 4, and the old EGR was clogged up really bad. Clogged passage. Yeah. Ooh, that's neat. So you can actually hit the search bar and it'll pull up how to fix your issues straight from Google. That's pretty neat, guys. You gotta be honest. Like, it literally pops it right up the code into Google and tells you possible ways to fix it. That's freaking dope. But yeah, guys, so that's pretty much that. I will leave a link below in the description if you would like to try the TOPDON OBD2 scanner, Bluetooth scanner out on your own. Again, I really appreciate these guys for always looking out for the channel. Every little bit helps. Stuff like this can come in handy when we do have issues, diagnosing stuff. It's nice to have these tools around. So huge shout out to TOPDON and the guys over there for always supporting the channel. Let's jump back into the video. What is going on, YouTube? So we are now on the way down to my parents, and I actually already met up with Jeff. I'm following him now. That's Jeff right there on the truck. But we're on the way to get him to swap out for the Wagon, and I think in today's video, guys, we're gonna put this CD5 up against his Wagon and see exactly where it stands. The Wagon does have an F20B in it, so it's a lot better motor than this F23, but I think the Wagon is just a tad bit heavier than me, so I'm hoping, and he has a long transmission, long gear transmission in it, So I'm hoping that we can pull a win off with this short gear transmission and this pretty decent amount of torque that we made. So I guess we'll find out. It's a beautiful day at the Copeland compound. Yeah, once it's smurring them tracks, good. God.
Yeah, my brother this morning I tried to line the back wheels up sort of straight. Yeah, I went over this side here to park it out.
Oh, okay.
I want to find one like a 94, 95 that's just the stock lip that go back.
Big tube headers, hot ram intake.
Flex pipe deleted.
Oh. This been the toughest motor, bro.
Yeah, boy. You started to get greasy around the nooks and crank like it done been in there for too long.
Yeah, like an actual like stock motor would be. Ain't shit wrong with it though. She keep running.
Yeah, man. Got them fresh ass wind run tires.
I know, see this bothered me too, cause I know like with mine being brand new tire, it took pretty good. I know your shit hooking up. You gonna honk or what?
You honk.
I can't miss again because your ass cut.
Bro, hey, look, you a no limit at people's stage.
Yeah. So guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap this video up here. Now, what I am interested in doing is that downpipe to see if I can release that bottleneck feeling that we're getting and try to get this thing closer to 155-ish, 160. I do also plan to do the H23 throttle body on this after we've switched the throttle body off of trap for the Jackspania Racing 70 mil. So stay tuned for that as well. So once we do that and retune, I would like to retry Jeff with this because I feel like that 60 foot-pounds, that 160 torque should keep us out enough so that he can't come back. But just knowing that where it's at now, we can jump out there and he has to try to catch us. It's pretty freaking cool because this thing, again, guys, made like 136 horsepower and 147 foot-pounds of torque. And Jeff's Wagon makes, I want to say around 189, 185 horsepower and like 150 something torque. So differences are definitely there as far as the Prelude transmission goes. Jeff does have a stock Accord transmission, so it's longer geared, The Wagon is heavier, so he does have those disadvantages, but it's just amazing to know that this old single cam can run like it does. So, and this is totally like, this is nowhere near its full potential. So again, guys, stay tuned when we do the downpipe. We got to do a custom downpipe, and we're going to do an H23 throttle body, same setup that we have on the turbo car currently, and all motor that did make 163 horsepower and 160 foot-pounds of torque. So we're hoping to get somewhere in that realm out of this as well. That would be really cool for the street. It should be a pretty quick car, considering this does have the Prelude trans and that does not. So yeah, it should be pretty fun, man. But if you're excited, guys, for any of that content, man, we got a lot of stuff coming. We got Taylor the Dragon prep. We got so much stuff coming, guys. So make sure you subscribe. If you're new, smack the like button for me, and I will catch y'all next time. Remember, respect all bills. Peace out.